This is the guessing game, and one of the project requirements is um, that you keep track of the number of guesses each player makes and determine a winner. Based on the first to reach 10 guesses, 15, and 30. So this is like a little bit ambiguous. So to be a bit more clear, the way that's going to work is we're going to have rounds, and the player 1 is going to go first, player 2 is going to go second, and let's say this is going to be an easy game. Player 1's going to go first, and they're going to take 3 guesses, and then player 2's going to go, they're going to take 4 guesses, right? So round 1 is over, and then we're going to go into round 2. And why? Because the limit here on the easy round, you could set it to whatever you want, but for me, I think 10 is a good number. That we're going to keep playing until one of the players reaches 10 or above, and they would be declared the loser, right? So then we're here, and then player 1 gets up to 6 because they take 3 more guesses in the second round to get to the number. Player 2 gets to 7 because they took 3 guesses as well, and then we get to round 3, and in round 3 we get 10, right? They took 4 guesses, and we get 9 because they got it in 2 guesses. So here at this moment, the game ends, and player 2 is declared the winner because player 1 reached 10 or more guesses in that game, right? So one thing to be clear about here is a round consists of player 1 playing a full game and then player 2 playing a full game, right? So this is round 1, round 2, and then in round 3, you might be tempted to, right after player 1 reaches 10, to just quit the game right there and declare player 2 the winner. But that's not fair because player 2 needs to play, and they could get up to 11, right? And if they do get up to 11, then that means player 1 wins because they had a lower amount of guesses. So hopefully that clears things up, and you can start asking me questions about how to program that kind of a system.